Leo and his dad went on a trip. They went to the Grand Canyon. Leo was excited. He had never seen the Grand Canyon before. They drove in their car. They drove for a long time. Leo looked out the window. He saw trees. He saw mountains. He saw the sky. Finally, they arrived. Leo saw a sign. It said, "Welcome to the Grand Canyon." Leo and his dad parked the car. They got out. Leo took a deep breath. The air was fresh and clean. Leo looked around. He saw something amazing. It was the Grand Canyon. It was huge. It was so big. Leo was surprised. He had seen pictures of the Grand Canyon, but the pictures were not like seeing it in person. The Grand Canyon was much bigger than he thought. The Grand Canyon was deep. Leo looked down. It was a long way down. He saw rocks. He saw different colors. He saw brown rocks. He saw red rocks. He saw yellow rocks. His dad said, "Wow, Leo. It's beautiful, isn't it?" Leo nodded. "Yes, Dad," he said. "It's amazing." They walked along the edge of the Grand Canyon. They took pictures. Leo took pictures of the canyon. His dad took pictures of Leo. Leo saw other people at the Grand Canyon. They were looking at the canyon, too. They were taking pictures, too. Everyone was amazed by the Grand Canyon. Leo and his dad walked for a long time. They looked at the Grand Canyon from different places. Each place was beautiful. Each place was different. Leo saw some birds flying in the canyon. They were small birds. They looked like tiny dots against the big rocks. His dad told him about the Grand Canyon. He told Leo how the Grand Canyon was formed. He told Leo about the Colorado River. The Colorado River flows at the bottom of the canyon. Leo learned a lot about the Grand Canyon. He learned about the rocks. He learned about the plants. He learned about the animals. They ate lunch at the Grand Canyon. They ate sandwiches. They ate fruit. They drank water. The food tasted good. Everything tasted good, with the amazing view. After lunch, they walked some more. Leo was tired, but he didn't want to leave. He wanted to see more of the Grand Canyon. His dad said, "It's time to go, Leo." Leo was sad. He wanted to stay longer, but he knew they had to go home. They got back in the car. They drove away from the Grand Canyon. Leo looked back. He could still see the Grand Canyon in the distance. Leo smiled. He had a great day. He saw something amazing. He saw the Grand Canyon. He would never forget it. He wanted to come back again someday. He wanted to show his friends the Grand Canyon. It was so big. It was so beautiful. It was a trip he would always remember. The Grand Canyon was a wonderful place.